Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the last vlog I showed you the Hoi An riverside where we immersed paper lamps. It was the most beautiful sight of Vietnam, and Hoi An is also famous for Lantern Festival, which is held on 14th day of the lunar calendar every month. So you can visit Hoi An during this time for a more beautiful sight. So if you want to see the full vlog, the link will be mentioned in the description box. The next morning we went to the Danang beach. Danang is very famous for the beaches, but since we had very less time in Danang, we tried to utilize every second of it. So enjoy the beautiful clips of Danang beach. So before leaving for Ho Chi Minh, let me show you the most beautiful hotel we stayed. Lobby, and there's a sky bar also. Belle, Maison, Parison, Danang hotel. Nice hotel. ये है यहाँ की coffee shop. This is the coffee shop and the beach. We have come for buffet. So this is the buffet breakfast of this hotel. Yes, very nice buffet. Salads, tea, juices, coffee, tea, croissants, donuts, breads. See, these are shells. They have a beautiful restaurant. ये देखिए गैलरी है, एंड इसके बाद हमारा रूम है. दिस इज़ द रूम ऑफ आवर होटल इन दनांग. वेरी कंफर्टेबल रूम, एंड यहाँ पे काफ़ी बड़ा रूम है और एकदम इमेजिन करिए आप बीच के सामने है. वॉशरूम इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस, बिग. तो चलिए अब चलते हैं. We have reached, अच्छा that is international airport, Danang International Airport. फ्लाइट थोड़ी डिले हो गई है. एनीवेज आई थिंक हमें पहुंचना था 9:30, अब हम पहुंचेंगे 10:40. बट एनीवेज पहुंच के फिर हमें घूमना भी है हो chi minh सिटी. So friends, we are at the Ho Chi Minh airport and a flight got delayed, and so it might take us another half an hour, and then we will go for a city tour. Ho Chi Minh domestic airport. Coaches you get for airport transfers.
Years ago.
Morning.
More than 3 centuries ago.
Okay. So Saigon was the old name.
Saigon. Meanwhile, the name Ho Chi Minh just from. Design for the pagoda in the North Vietnam.
The pagoda.
And you look the building ahead there. This is the big
This is the pagoda.
financial tower.
This is the almost very tall, this building, no?
It's only 68 stories.
Only 68 stories. Okay.
I recommend you stay in this hotel.
Gone hotel. Okay. Tea is more westernized and the commercial capital of Vietnam. We are going to the War Museum now. Museum. और देखते हैं कितना हम रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, अलाउ करते हैं कि नहीं रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. But it is a very famous war museum in Ho Chi Minh. There's some aircrafts inside.
Inside and outside, we come back here again. Don't worry, we'll come.
So these are US Air Force planes, huh? So this is the war museum. Vietnam's war against US. This is Tau weapon system. The War Remnant Museum is one of the oldest war museums in Ho Chi Minh. It was opened in 1975 to showcase the real and brutal truth of Vietnam War. So I think this is the Vietnam region ना, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. So ऊपर से अगर आप देखो तो यहाँ तक Vietnam. So these are some war photographs. Photographers who died in the war, Indo-China War. Okay, it looks like a tiger cage. Holes. Achha, they used to make them stand. The sun bathing rooms. These are like the cells, no? Where they were kept.
Oh, it's like a coffin.
Tiger cages surrounded with barbed wires.
Lights.
Hurt, huh? They'll have to 2-3 people in one. Imagine. Hanging room. US warplanes. We are going to the Reunification Palace.
Reunification Palace.
Okay. So this is the Reunification Palace. Beautiful. The cabinet and meeting room. All green.
The meaning of green to bring peace to everybody.
Peace, okay.
If you
President became of the South, became president for only 43 hours and then he surrendered, and he was the last one to stay here. Has 7 panels made by South, North and Central Vietnam painters, and this is the beautiful banquet hall. So this is the conference room of the Freedom Palace of Ho Chi Minh City. Looks like a royal palace. National Security Council chamber.
the South.
This is the presidential office. The president used to sit here. Vice President reception room. It's a private garden. Marble chair.
keep
Okay.
cool.
Oh, this is the bedroom.
Yes.
So this is the bedroom of the president. This is the dining hall. ये बड़ा सुंदर है ये. Garden in the presidential suite. We are under the Freedom Palace or Reunification Palace, and we are inside the bunker. The presidential palace. So bunker. So this bunker was built to save them from the bombs, and all the facilities were there inside the bunker. Radios were there. It's full tunnel system, huh?
Radios and all. Twice.
Better thing. Oh, this was to run away. in emergency.
To the next room, so that continue give.
This is the kitchen of the presidential palace. His car, presidents. Oh, they were very royal people, I think. So. Notre Dame Cathedral under renovation.
Building material here from.
Open up for tour.
These are Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Very nice. This is the post office, Hochiminh.
Both sides. On the right, on the left.
Oh, souvenir shops inside the post office. A lot of souvenir shops here. The post office has been converted into a souvenir shop. Look at diaries. They have turned this post office into a market. This used to be the old post office. Coffee, Vietnamese coffee. Here, Vietnamese coffee. Pearl's shop. Beautiful paintings and hats. Front of the post office there is a cathedral. Nice cathedral, no? We can't go inside it. That's a cathedral under renovation, so we can't go inside it. ये है street food market. Okay. We are right now in Thanh Market, and this is almost a very big market for localites in Ho Chi Minh. So we'll be buying something from here. It looks like a मतलब जैसे बड़ा सा सरोजनी मार्केट है ना, उसकी तरह लगता है. Snakes and scorpions, dry fruits, pickles, wholesale market, ready-made clothes, shirts. This type के चलो local market Ramana Saigon. After checking in, we headed straight away to our rooms as it had been a very long day for us. The rooms were very nice and quite big compared to the other two hotels. And after some time, we explored the hotel and went out for dinner. So this is how we spent our first day in Ho Chi Minh. So today we are going to Coochie tunnels.
Set up to Shisha,
Shisha, okay.
Mother of pearl.
Mother of pearl. And this is all eggshell, no?
This is duck egg. This is banting.
And this is mother of pearl.
Yeah. Mother.
So he is taking us to the documentary room. Yeah, that much only. It's so small. Do it once, Spikes.
Very effective. And you 10 seconds to 15 seconds maximum. One
Rice paper.
will be made.
Okay, dip. This is the rice tea.